Hey guys, this is Mindy Boyd, and I am hopefully about to show you how to enter an order on a party and how to enter your hostess benefits. So cross your fingers. All right, so I am entering this order in my consultant Denise's back office. I'm going to go to her party manager. She's already entered the majority of this order, so I'm going to show you guys how to finish it up. So the party that I'm looking for is this one here. It's for Sarah Williams. It's the one she held on Sunday. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add another order, and then I'm going to close it out with hostess benefits. All right, so I'm going to go to details of the show because I like to just double check, make sure that I'm on the right one. And I see that this is the party that I'm wanting to add the order to. So previously, I've entered all of these customers, the new customers. I've gone in, I've added all of their orders to the party, and now I'm going to add the last order. So I'm going to add an order. Who is buying? So if you click I am buying, that means you as the beauty consultant are buying. If you change it to my customer, you're going to be able to type in your customers. And here where it says shopping with a beauty consultant, that actually means that you're adding a new customer to the party. Okay, we're hopefully going to get that changed where it says add a new customer, but right now it says shopping with a beauty consultant. But you'll see if you click that, it actually is going to give you a form to put a new customer on there, but that's not what I want to do. I want to add my customer, and looking for my customer is, Mindy Boyd. So I'm going to add Mindy's order to this party. And once we get in this screen, this will be the final order on my party, and then I'm going to go to my hostess benefits. So Mindy ordered, we're pretending like Mindy is not me. Mindy ordered a time repair, so let's add that to the cart. So the time repair is in the cart, that's all she ordered. She didn't get any PWPs or anything. So now we're just going to continue to check out. Who is paying for the order? Mindy is paying for the order with her card that she has on file. It is an American Express, so the CVV is actually 4 digits. And then who is the party shipping to? Guys, the majority of your orders on your parties, this is important, you're going to change this. Most of our party orders are going to ship to our party host, okay? And you'll just need to check with your franchise or your upline on your guys' policy on that. But here in our franchise, we ship all the orders to the party host. So I'm changing it to party host, who is Sarah. I've got the payment information entered. I'm going to continue with this information. And now I'm going to double check that it is billing to Mindy. It is Mindy's billing address, but it's shipping to the host. I'm going to go down. It's charging $7.95 for shipping to the host, which is correct. And I'm going to charge the card now. Okay, so that was the last order on my party. And now I'm ready to enter my hostess rewards. So I'm going to go back to the party details. When you get back to the party details, now I'm going to see I have all of my customers entered here. This is important, guys. When you're looking now at this order, you're going to see that you have 9 orders on there. All 9 of your orders are paid. So now you're going to have the option to add your hostess's order. Another thing you may notice up here is that it has your party total here, and it says this party was $1,189.05. This number here is actually currently calculating in PWPs and shipping and handling. So it is your job as a beauty consultant to make sure that you're only counting towards the party the commissionable value. So the commissionable value that counts towards the party is going to be your regular prices, your prices on your skincare packages, anything that is on sale but is allowable to count towards the show. That is going to be your commissionable value, your CV. So I know, because I've added up all of these order forms, that this party is over $1,000. Okay, so I'm not determining that it was $1,000 because I'm looking at this number here. I'm determining that it was $1,000 because I've added up all of the CV on my order form. So because this was a $1,000 show, my hostess is going to get to use the $1,000 shopping spree. So now I'm continuing to the hostess order. Once I get there, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to enter in the items that my hostess wanted for her shopping spree. So there's two things that you can do here. You can either click here, continue shopping, and then you can hunt for all of the items. But because I have a list here, I'm going to just use my quick add. So my first item my hostess wanted was Age Defiance Pro. So I'm going to see here under quick add, there is Age Defiance Pro. I'm going to add that to her order. The next thing that she wanted was Advanced Eye Recovery. So the Advanced Eye Recovery, I'm going to add here. Okay. She also wanted a correction code. So I'm going to quick add that. She wanted a night recovery. So I'm going to add a night recovery. There we go. And that is her $250 shopping spree. So now that I've got all of her full price items in the cart for her $250 shopping spree, your shopping sprees currently have 3 codes if you use the corporate shopping sprees. The first one is Allo 300. Allo 300 gives you $100 for 80% off. Your second code is Allo 600, which is going to give you your hostess benefits shopping spree for the $600 level. And then you have Allo 1000, which is what this hostess qualified because her party was more than $1,000. And that coupon was successfully added to the cart. So that took $225 off of her shopping spree. So she got her shopping spree, $1,000 party shopping spree. She currently got $250 worth of product for 90% off. So now that I've added those items in, now I'm going to start selecting her rewards. So to select the rewards, I'm going to go here to select my rewards. She has qualified for 1 monthly hostess reward. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click Start Shopping. And this is where you're going to add whatever your monthly bonuses are. You're also, once you get into this screen, it's a lot of extra clicking right now. Hopefully we're going to be streamlining this, but I wanted to do this training now so you guys would know how to enter your shows. So from here, I remember that I'm searching for the hostess reward. So I'm going to again click Hostess Monthly Reward. This hostess in particular wanted the $10 offering, which this month is the hostess bundle of the Bio Mist, the cleanser, and the Be Smooth. One thing you'll notice here is that this says that it's $10.01. Don't be afraid of the extra penny. Just go ahead and add it to your cart anyway. All right, so she chose to get the $10 offering, so that would be the hostess bundle here that's offered for $10. So now I'm going to go back to my cart. The next item that she wanted was she got the monthly hostess exclusive for $7, which is the day or the nighttime in the lip palette. So I've already done this reward item here. Now, 1 hostess exclusive product, I'm going to click Start Shopping. And again, I'm going to click again, exclusive hostess product. Now, this is my $7 day or night palette, so I'm going to click more info. And now my hostess chose the daytime palette. So I have clicked, if you'll notice there's a difference here, this one is black, this one is gray. When you click it and it turns black, that means that you've selected to add it to your cart. You also could just go down here and click choose this option. So So now that I've chosen that option, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to add that to my cart. And that one is added. All right. The next thing that my hostess chose was her take your pics. So the first take your pics, she actually qualified for 3 take your pics. So now I'm going to go here to select my rewards again. My hostess qualified for 3 take your pics. So she chose a ageless science for one of her take your pics. So I've clicked the take your pic. Now again, I'm going to click take your pic single item to find my ageless science. Again, this says that it costs $39.96. It's actually going to, in the end, charge her $39.95. So don't stress about the penny. Now that I've added that, I'm going to continue on adding my rewards items. And depending on when you're watching this, the rewards items will vary. She also chose single take your pick items. And she chose 2 of those. So she actually qualified for a flawless HP and also a cocktail. So on the bottom of our corporate hostess rewards, there's an option for 3 take your picks. If your hostess rewards are a little bit different on your team or in your franchise, your hostess rewards will be set up in the same categories. So in the future, you should not have an issue with locating those items. If you do have an issue with locating your items, always remember there is no Owlette emergency. We can always figure it out. So continuing on, I'm going to go to checkout. I make sure that all of her rewards are there. Now, I actually need to verify this price with Denise before I can close this party. So I'm just going to click pay later. Okay, so if you got to this point and you needed to check with your hostess and make sure that everything was correct and you needed her CVV, then you could always click pay later. Make sure that you check that the party is going to ship to the party host. Continue with this information. Review everything. Now at this point, if I had entered in her CVV, I would click pay for this order. Because I haven't, I'm just going to click save this order for later. So at the point when I get ready to apply payment to this hostess's order, all I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to my party center. I'm going to go to my party manager. I'm going to find this party. I'm going to view the details. Then I'm going to go down here to my hostess order, and you'll see on your hostess order, it is designated with an H after the order number. I'll click pay for the order, enter her payment information, and the moment when I enter her payment information, this party will be closed. Cheers, y'all.